Okay, welcome back. So we are talking about graphics file formats. Now there are different file formats, and this just deals with the extensions at which your designs are exported. Now these formats might vary from designers' preferences to the application or the use case of such designs. The first we have on the list is JPEG and JPG. Now these are used oftentimes for photographs and complex images. The next we have on our list is PNG. Now, PNG is used for graphics with transparent background, and it's also used to maintain and preserve certain qualities of images. The next file format we have is the GIF, the GIF. This is used for short, simple animations. The next file format we have is the PDF. This is used for documents that contain text and images. The next file format we have is the TIFF, that is the TIFF. It supports high quality images with a large color depth. Most times these are used for large format printings and the likes of them, for banners. And then the next file format we have is AI, and this is used by Adobe Illustrator. We have the CRW, which is used by CorelDRAW, and lots more. There are so many file formats we cannot exhaust them now. We have the SVG, which is mainly used for vector images and for web-based image icon designs and the likes of them. We have lots more file formats. As you continue in the graphics field, you become conversant with more and more of them. You become exposed to them. The more you use them, the more you understand the application. And by study, you can become better. We talk about raster, vector, and raster images. Now, vector and raster images are two different types of digital images. Raster images are pixelated images. They are made up of pixels, colors, brightness, values. Now, raster images are resolution dependent, meaning that their quality is determined by the number of pixels in the image. The higher the resolution, the more detailed the image will appear. Common examples of raster image files are JPEG, PNG, and the TIFF. So, like I earlier mentioned when I started the course, I said the quality of your design also will be dependent on when you are exporting. How do you export it? So that being said, we move over to the next set of images, which are the vector images. Now the vector-based images, on the other hand, are made up of mathematical parts and shapes, rather than being composed of pixels. So vector images are resolution independent. They do not depend on resolution. They can be scaled up and scaled down. Now, meaning their quality remains the same at any size. Now, vector images are often used for logos and other illustrations. The difference: raster images, when scaled up, scaled down, they are dependent on resolution and they can become blurry, while vector images are made up of mathematical parts and shapes, and when scaled up or scaled down, they maintain quality, they maintain clarity in their representation. Next on our list is a very important and essential item, which most times is actually overlooked and belittled in the design world for unseasoned designers. But seasoned designers know it's one of the fundamental elements in their design. Typography. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type and making written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. It is the process of arranging types and making written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. Now, it involves the selection of typefaces, font sizes, line spaces, letter spacing, adjustment between lengths of line, widths of line, and many others. Choice of fonts, choice of font family, choice of effects, they are all covered within typography. Now, good typography is important because it can greatly enhance readability and legibility of text. Now, and can also add overall aesthetics appealing to the clients. Now, it makes your work look professional. It makes your work look clean. It makes your work look matured. It makes your work look well seasoned. One of the things you need to note as a graphic designer is that every company desires a brand identity. And then, As a graphic designer, you are going to be playing a huge role in the visual aspect of their brand identity, because brand identity is a collection of both visual and non-visual elements that are used to create unique and recognizable image of a brand organization. We can have company branding, we can have personal branding, we can have product branding, we can have business branding. All these things deals with both physical, visual, and non-visual elements. So tonality is a non-visual element, sounds are non-visual elements, graphics are visual elements. So these are some of the things you have to bear in mind. You are quite essential in building the brand identity of any company. And when you work with them, what you develop for them is called the visual identity manual or visual identity system. Okay, welcome everyone. So we are moving on to a new section, and in this section we are going to be talking about Canva. So Canva is a design software or application that you can use to do a vast variety of things. You can use Canva to create presentation, you can use Canva to create posters design, logo designs, you can use Canva to develop websites, brochure, company profiles, and many more. Canva has a very good learning curve, and it's easy to use, easy to learn, and the application it's beyond just the scope of traditional design tools that are designed for specific purposes. Canva has also, as an advantage, a large variety of resources made available by contributors from different parts of the world. It has incorporated AI generative features as part of their tools. So basically, let me just define Canva as a means of introduction. Now, Canva is a versatile design tool that revolutionizes the way we creative visualize contents. Canva offers a wide range of tools and selections that can enable users unleash their creativity and produce stunning designs. Now, design tools. Now, there are different categories and different features that you will be seeing in Canva. Now, Canva design tools include intuitive drag and drop interface, making it easy to create designs without any technical expertise. Users can access various tools such as text editing, image cropping, alignment, and layer management to customize their designs. I'm going to be showing you just a slide of how the outlook of a normal Canva welcome page looks like. Next, we will look at some features. One of the features in Canva is the template feature. Now, Canva provides a vast library of design templates for social media, graphics, presentations, posters, flyers, and many more. It even has website templates. Now, users can choose from pre-designed templates and customize them to suit their styles and needs, saving time and effort. Like I said, Canva makes design more easy and efficient. I will show us a picture. As you can see on your screen, you will be seeing a picture of the Canva page. Next, we move to Elements. Elements is another feature in the Canva software. Now, Canva offers a rich collection of elements like icons, shapes, lines, illustrations that can easily be added to designs. I'll be using some of these elements in the course of our practical sections. Now, users can search and browse through an extensive library to find perfect elements to enhance their visual creations. So, because we have a large contributor base, Canva can actually provide you with a large variety of resources. Also, the generative AI can actually give you an added advantage where you can create new content from using prompts, I'll be showing you how the elements section looks like. As you can see on your screen, the way the elements section looks like. You'd see the different aspects, the graphics, the image, the videos, and the likes of them. You select from that. Next, we have images and media. Images and media, Canva provides diverse images library with millions of high quality stock photos and illustrations to choose from. Users can also upload their own images and media files, allowing them to complete customization and personalization of their designs. So you can upload your files, your images, your pre-designed icons or other features, which you can now then use in your design to make it more what? Personalized and customized. Text and typography. Canva offers a wide variety of font styles, formatting options to create visually appealing text elements. So what does that mean? It means in Canva you have a diverse availability of font styles, features, settings that can make you achieve the best. Remember the section I talked about typography? Canva gives you freedom to actually effectively manipulate your typography to fit what you are designing for. Now, users can also add headings, subheadings, body text, customize font sizes, colors, spacing to make their text stand out. Remember, we are in introduction to Canva. Now, collaboration and sharing. Canva allows for seamless collaborations, enabling teams to work together on design in real time. Now, I've had a past experience where I worked with some group of people and we had designers from all over the country. And one of the things that you would find interesting is that the software we used was Canva. And now for collaboration from different states, while I'm working at my state, another designer is working at another state, we can effectively share ideas, we can effectively tweak each other's designs to make sure that we come up with the best results that is essential and is needed by our clients. Collaboration and sharing. Now, users can share designs with others for feedback and co-editing, making it ideal for group projects or remote teams. So, because of the collaborative feature, we can actually work remotely and partner with teams to effectively carry out and execute projects. For example, social media campaigns, company branding, visual identity style guide, and many more. The next is exports and integration. Canva supports exporting designs in various file formats. Like I earlier mentioned about file formats. We have the PDF format, PNG format, JPEG formats, SVG formats, and many more. Now, designs can easily be shared via email, social media, and other integrated platforms in which Canva works with. In conclusion, Canva is a powerful design tool that empowers users to create visually stunning content when its extensive range of tools and selections. So, in conclusion, Canva is a powerful design tool that empowers users to create visually stunning content with its extensive range of tools and selections.